Welcome to Auto Reviews, where performance meets passion. Today's spotlight is on one of the most breathtaking supersport machines ever crafted, the 2026 MV Agusta F3 RR. This motorcycle blends Italian artistry with race-bred engineering, delivering a riding experience that feels straight out of a world superbike paddock. Design and styling, Italian art on two wheels. The 2026 MV Agusta F3 RR looks like it was carved by wind itself. Sharp body lines, a compact tail section, and signature triple-exit exhaust give it a bold and unmistakable presence. Every angle reflects aerodynamics and aggression. The F3 RR doesn't just sit still, it looks fast even when parked. Engine and performance, race DNA unleashed. At the heart of the F3 RR is a high-revving, 798cc inline-three cylinder engine that delivers explosive acceleration and a spine-tingling exhaust note. Power builds smoothly but aggressively, pushing riders into the red zone with thrilling urgency. This is a motorcycle built to dominate both track days and open roads. Technology and electronics, smart speed. The 2026 F3 RR is packed with advanced rider aids. It features a full ride-by-wire system, multiple riding modes, adjustable traction control, quick shifter, launch control, and engine braking management. The IMU-based electronics ensure stability at high speeds and confidence in corners, making the F3 RR as smart as it is fast. Handling and suspension, precision in motion. With a lightweight chassis and premium suspension setup, the F3 RR feels razor-sharp. The bike responds instantly to rider input, offering unmatched feedback through corners. Whether leaning into a tight bend or flying down a straight, the F3 RR remains composed, stable and incredibly precise. Braking system, total control. High-performance Brembo brakes give the F3 RR outstanding stopping power. Strong initial bite and consistent feedback allow confident braking at high speeds. This is the kind of control that makes the difference between fast riding and fearless riding. Rider experience, built for pure thrill. Every ride on the 2026 MV Agusta F3 RR feels special. The seating position is aggressive, the cockpit is race-inspired, and the connection between rider and machine is intense. It's not just transportation, it's an experience crafted for adrenaline lovers. Final thoughts, Supersport royalty. The 2026 MV Agusta F3 RR stands as a symbol of Italian excellence in the supersport world. It delivers stunning design, explosive performance, and cutting-edge technology in one breathtaking package. From all of us at Auto Reviews, this is a motorcycle that doesn't just compete, it dominates. Subscribe to Auto Reviews for more high-performance motorcycle insights and the latest from the world of two wheels.